everyone, welcome back, or welcome if you are new. My name is Tanya with Mind, Body, and Soul Company, and I make aromatherapy bath and beauty products. So for today's soap, we are doing a salted caramel hot chocolate soap. So I'm going to go ahead and get my lye water poured down my stick blender. I do have sodium lactate in the lye water, and then kaolin clay in my oils. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that in there and give it a quick blend. All right, that's looking good there. So I'm going to separate this out. We're going to be doing 3 colors today. They are all from Nurture Soap. So for the base color, that's going to be Mocha Brown. Stay there. Stay. And then I'm doing Copper Penny and Maya Gold as well. Let's get my other containers over here. Right, that looks pretty good there. And I'm going to put these back to the side. All right, so in this container, I'm going to add in my Mocha Brown. I think that'll be good there. And then I'm gonna put all of my fragrance oil in here. It's the one I'm using is salted caramel hot chocolate from Crafter's Choice. I believe it may be discontinued. Not 100% sure about that, but it does have 8% vanillin in it, so it's definitely gonna discolor. So I don't want to use that with the Copper Penny and the gold. That way you can still see some of that in there. So I'm gonna just stir that in a little bit, and then I'll blend it and see if we need to add any more color. And this Mocha Brown is perfect for a hot chocolate soap, and especially with the discoloration that's gonna happen, it'll be a nice, deep, rich brown. That looks good there. Just set that off to the side. I'm gonna make sure I got all my sides really good here. There we go. Let me grab my mold. I'm just gonna get this poured in. And I'm not gonna completely scrape it out. Save a little bit to go on top. I'm gonna give this a quick tap down, and then we'll get our other colors ready. All right, so in this container, which has a little less of the batter, I'm gonna add in some Maya Gold that I dispersed in some of my oils. I think that'll add a nice little contrast to the soap. I picked the Maya Gold and the Copper Penny because I thought they would give it a kind of caramel type look. There's the copper penny. Get both of those whisked in. Oh, that looks really good. I really like that color. This is the first time I've used copper penny, but I think I'm really gonna like it. All right, that looks good. And we'll do the Maya Gold. Also a nice rich color. It's a little deeper of a gold than the shimmering gold from Nurture. So I think these two together will be really nice. Okay, I'll get my mold back over here. And I'm just gonna pour these in, back and forth. I'll do some passes of each, and then we'll see if we wanna put a hanger or a chopstick through it.
Those look really nice together. And that looks good. Alright.
So I do think I'm gonna run a hanger through this, so I'm gonna grab that. And I'm gonna do a couple kind of sweeping ones all the way up and through. Everything scraped out, and then we'll add our embeds. All right, so this is set up enough where I'm gonna go ahead and do my spoon texture. Just pull that over. Just like that. I have these super cute little marshmallows that I dusted in some shimmering snowflake from Crafter's Choice. And I'm just gonna add a couple of those. To each one. Then I do also have some sea salt, and I am gonna sprinkle that across this side because it is salted caramel hot chocolate. got those marshmallows a little close together, but that will be fine. All right, I'm gonna spray this with some rubbing alcohol and then I'll bring you in for a close-up. All right, and we are back to cut my hot chocolate soap. So I'm just gonna get rid of this little end piece here. Now, it did get a little bit of ash on the top, but nothing too bad. We're gonna see if I got these marshmallows lined up correctly. I'm gonna have to move it a little bit to not chop them. There we go. That should be good. Oh, I love how that turned out. Has a really nice swirl. The marshmallows are super cute on top, and the sea salt, that extra mica, gives it a little sparkle. Scoot this back a little bit so I'm not all up in your face. Let's see. Definitely could have lined this up a little bit better, but we will make it work. There we go. I might need to adjust my cutter a little bit. It's very squeaky. Here's this one. And I think it does give it, the brown really makes you feel the hot chocolate, and then the gold and that copper penny definitely has a caramel feel. So I love it. And I think I've mentioned this before, but hot chocolate is like one of my favorite things ever. I love everything about it. I love all the different toppings you can put in it. It's just such a great thing for fall, winter, spring, sometimes in the summer. So what is your favorite cold weather drink? Are you a hot chocolate lover, or are you more for hot tea or coffee? Leave it in the comments down below. I really am loving how this swirl turned out. I think it's one of my favorite ones that I've done in a while. All the colors really work well together, and just loving this combo. Now that the weather's gotten colder, I've also broken out my flannel sheets for the season. I'm definitely someone who likes to be warm and toasty when I'm sleeping. Are you a hot sleeper, or do you like all the blankets also? So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and I will catch you in my next one.